Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. Yesterday, we saw the Indian rupee open with some gains, but intraday as the day progressed, all those gains were covered and we saw the Indian rupee post some losses by the closing of the day's trades. This was mainly being attributed to the fact that we had a weaker euro in the international markets and there was a relatively stronger dollar in the international markets. As we saw the dollar index strengthen a bit, a similar reaction was seen in the US dollar against the Indian rupee rates. Again, due to the recent rise in the crude oil prices, we are seeing that the US dollar is also rallying a bit against the Indian rupee. Yes, going forward, we had a statement from ECB President Mario Draghi stating that they would not hesitate to cut interest rate further if any data was not supportive or if the overall conditions in the European Union do not improve. Reacting to this, we again saw an upswing in the dollar index. Today again in the morning session, we saw a strong opening for the US dollar against the Indian rupee. But yes, later as the day progressed, we saw some selling by exporters on this recent gain. The 54.30-35 level of resistance for spot is holding pretty strong for the US dollar, and this could continue to remain a hurdle for the dollar on the upside. Further on, the extension of the current rally would mainly depend on the fact that if the gold and the crude oil prices would continue to rally or not. So currently we expect the dollar to remain range bound in the range of 53.20 to 54.30. Coming to euro yesterday saw a lot of downslide and it was continuously put under pressure, mainly because of statement from the European Union President, the ECB President Mario Draghi, who stated that the interest rate could be cut further if the European situation does not improve in the near months to come. So based on this, we saw the euro fall against all the global forex currency majors. Yes, earlier in the day we had the retail sales data coming in from the European Union, which was as per expectations. But yes, what put further pressure on the euro was the fact that the previous month's retail sales data was revised downwards, and based on this we again saw further downslide in the euro. Going forward today, we could see we have the German factory data and the French industrial orders, which the French industrial orders have not come in as per expectations. They were slightly negative, but we have not seen much reaction to that. Going forward, we could see some direction based on the outcome of the German factory orders data. All in all, the euro remains bearish till the levels of 70.70 in the spot markets. Coming to pound, there is no major data from pound. Currently it continues to remain sideways in the international markets as well. After the current rally, we could see some correction or some stabilizing at current levels for the GBP, that is the pound against the Indian rupee. But yes, if the INR continues to rally, we could see further downside in the pound against the Indian rupee. Currently, we expect the pound movement to track the euro intraday, and overall we expect the current movement to reverse on the downside, which would extend up till 84.06 levels in the spot. Coming to Japanese yen, the Japanese yen recently suffered quite a bit of losses, mainly because of its downslide against the US dollar based on the positive jobs data from the US economy. But yes, the downslide did not last much, and as seen earlier, the USD JPY resistance of 100 continues to hold pretty strong. Based on this, we again saw a bounce back for the USD JPY rate, and it has come down again to below 99 levels today. So we could expect the current rally in the Japanese yen to extend further. Against the Indian rupee, we see the current rally to extend up till 56.70 levels in the spot. Thank you.